Hey, hope you're having a solid day. I've spent the last few weeks running the ASUS V16 hard, jumping from editing sessions to graphic-heavy games and daily work, and I want you to feel exactly what it's like when you finally step up to something that doesn't slow you down. You're the type who knows what enough feels like, but also what too little does to your flow. If you settle for lag, frame drops, or slow loading times, you deserve better. This laptop is built for someone who demands smooth performance and sharp visuals without excuses. Before you go further, check the current price and stock. Hardware moves fast, and if this hits a deal, you don't want to miss it. There was a moment for me when I realized the old laptop had become a bottleneck. Editing videos felt sluggish, games choked on high settings, boot times felt like waiting. Switch to the V16, and that drag just evaporated. Boot, load, edit, play, everything happened so effortlessly, I almost forgot what lag felt like. Using this machine is different. The 144Hz WUXGA display doesn't just show frames, it breathes. Colors feel alive, motion feels smooth, windows switch without hesitation. You switch between editing clips, running heavy design tools, and launching games, all without a single hiccup. That sense of being held back. Gone. If you're hesitating, maybe glance at availability. Sometimes price adjusts or stock runs low. You might wonder, is 512GB storage limiting? Or will 16GB RAM be enough for long-term heavy use? But here's the thing, for many real-world scenarios this handles everything with room left. And if you want more storage later, adding external or internal storage is always an option. One surprise benefit, despite being a capable gaming/creative machine, it stays relatively chill and quiet. Heat doesn't spike, fans don't roar, and even under load the case stays cool enough to stay on your lap. Performance feels snappy, display feels vivid, work feels fluid, gameplay feels smooth, portability feels manageable. Downside: storage might hit its limit if you squirrel away massive files. And for ultra-heavy rendering or massive datasets, you might eventually want more memory or disk space. But eventually there comes a point where comparing laptop after laptop just wastes time. This is the one that fits how you create, play, and get things done. If you're ready for that upgrade, check if the V16 is still up for grabs and take the step.